Welcome to the Kingdom Wayfinder, and today we have some really interesting news in regards to Big Hero 6 in Kingdom Hearts 3. So as we know, Big Hero 6 was confirmed back at D23 2015 as a world in Kingdom Hearts 3, but all we got was a little bit of the plot of the world and concept art. And that was basically it. That was all we had of Big Hero 6 being in Kingdom Hearts 3. At the time, that was pretty hype, and we kind of obviously took that all in and made it a big deal because it was a new world confirmed for Kingdom Hearts 3. And years later, we're in 2018, and we still have not seen the world. And I made a video back, I think it was in March, speculating when we're going to see Big Hero 6 in Kingdom Hearts 3. And during E3 this year, we did get a little bit of an update on why we haven't seen it and what's going on with it. So Nomura did state that, of course, that the gameplay for the world is basically done. It's just that the cutscenes are still in development, which is understandable. Obviously, things need to be animated still. Some things are probably a little too buggy, a little too choppy, whatnot. It's understandable stuff. And in a recent interview, we got a little bit more on Big Hero 6 and what could potentially be the next trailer for Kingdom Hearts 3. And with that being said, guys, Nomura thinks that, and I'll read it right here. This comes from KingdomHeartsInsider.com, is that he thinks he'll be able to show footage of the Big Hero 6 world next time. So when is next time? We don't know. We don't know when when Kingdom Hearts 3 is going to have a new trailer, but we could be getting Big Hero 6 in that next trailer. So it's not a guarantee, like, yeah, he's 100% confirming, like, he's promising, oh yeah, you're going to get Big Hero 6 in the next trailer. He thinks that we're going to see it soon. So who knows? It might, they might not show cutscenes of it because Tangled didn't do that. It just showed off gameplay when that was revealed at E3 2015. We got no cutscenes. We didn't even have Rapunzel and Eugene shown. And when we finally did see them in Kingdom Hearts 3 earlier this year, D23 2018, Japan, again, no cutscenes, but more gameplay, new stuff. And we finally got some cutscenes, or snippets of cutscenes, during E3 at the Square Enix press conference and at the, Kingdom Hearts Orchestra that happened on June 9th. So, with that being said, it's really interesting. So, Big Hero 6 could be in the next trailer. Now, what does this really tell us about the world itself? It basically tells us, like, yeah, this world is basically far along into development. It's not going to be a scrapped world, because some people were actually fearing that before E3. People were thinking, oh, we haven't heard about Big Hero 6 in a couple of years, and we never got an update on it. They probably scrapped the world and everything, blah, 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 because Kingdom Hearts has scrapped worlds before. Like, for example, the Jungle Book is probably the worst case scenario, because that world got scrapped twice. One in Birth by Sleep, and I believe, or the first time in Birth by Sleep, and I believe the second time, I think it was going to be in Dream Drop Distance. And I know Treasure Planet was planned for Dream Drop Distance, but regardless, that got scrapped too. But again, Jungle Book and Treasure Planet are primarily some examples of some scrapped worlds for Kingdom Hearts. So a lot of people were fearing that, the same was going to happen to Big Hero 6. Well, no, that's not happening. It's not going to get scrapped. It's far along into development. It would be stupid to scrap it now, but we do know for like 100% certainty that it's coming in the game. It's going to be a world. It's just, you got to give things time. So with that being said, guys, let me know in the comment section below what you think about Big Hero 6 being shown off soon in the next trailer for Kingdom Hearts 3. Do you think it will be shown off? Do you not think it will be shown off? Or do you think, we'll just get gameplay but no cutscenes? I do think we'll see Baymax and Hero. For sure. We'll see them in the party for sure. They're not going to pull a Tangled and not show Rapunzel and Eugene. So, regardless, that's basically it for this video. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video if you enjoyed it, share it around with other Kingdom Hearts fans, and may your hearts be your guiding key. See you in the next one.